Davao in white.
Well, obviously, we featured Mac Dalio at itong si JC Marcelino as the matchup of the game. Binuksan naman ni JC kagad with a hand in his face jumper.
Marcelino,
Libre.
yes, 5 points para kay JC Marcelino.
Batangas, no question si Coach Louie. At sa Pangasinan, malaking factor rin daw na sila mismo ang nagpatalo sa kanilang sarili. He was concerned that this might trigger self-doubt, so he reminded them all, just be...
Ni-replay pa. Challenge pa.
And Marcelino knocks down the jumper. No call there on Sarang. They get the turnover. JC jumper is good. He gets his rhythm ng coaches. Coach Eric Gonzalez.
Correct. That's why he's gonna miss also our game opener in the UAAP. Sabay kasi yan. JC Marcelino beats the shot.
Nasa kanila din ang bola ngayon. 6 seconds sa shot clock. JC Marcelino. Marcelino flips it up and in.
Oh my.
JC bigay kay John Mahari. JC gets it back, takes the 3 and knocks it down. 30 para kay JC.
That was a total of 34 attempts between two players. Marcelino, nice play off a timeout.
PBL, but the ending, game X. JC will drive. Atras muna, the jumper, Marcelino. Clutch.
Kahit siya, naiinitan siya sa sarili niya.